I'm Gianna and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make smoked cornbread. We're going to make cornbread.
All right, so let's start by getting your pan ready, okay? So take your stick of butter. You're gonna rub it all along the bottom of your pan. Get it nice and greased up so your cornbread doesn't stick, okay?
Okay.
And make sure you have clean hands when you do it. It can be a little messy. Yep.
I washed my hands before I did this.
All right, once it's all greased up, put your buddy back. We're gonna scoot this off the side. All right, can we scooch over and wash your hands?
Yeah. Then we have to wash our hands so our food doesn't get all greasy.
Open it.
Yeah.
Go ahead and dry those good. Okay. Come back over. All right, so you're gonna start with your dry ingredients. So that's gonna be your powder mixture.
Yeah. My hands are too slicky.
That's okay. All right, you can just dump it right in. Shake, shake, shake. Make sure the whole box is empty. Good job.
You can set this off to the side.
Sure. All right, go ahead and grab your milk. You're doing, do you remember how much milk you're gonna add?
The whole thing
1/3 cup of milk.
right here.
Yep, let's go ahead and pour that in.
All of it.
All of it in. Good job.
Crack the egg.
Yep, we're gonna crack our egg into the measuring cup.
If you see extra soda, just get it with the big part.
There you go.
Or see you shining.
Okay.
Set in here.
Yep, and keep a clean workstation as you go.
Mm-hmm.
All right, go ahead and take your measuring cup, pour it into here,
No, it's time to whisk it.
whisk it up.
Make sure you get all the edges.
And scrape the bottom really good.
But I need a spatula.
Keep stirring, I'll get you a spatula. Okay, you want a tray?
Mm-hmm.
Let's scrape off all of this. Okay. All right, do you feel like it's mixed together enough?
Mm-mm. No. Do you have a napkin? Helper?
Yep, that looks good.
Spatula in there.
Yep, I'm gonna hold it up and you scrape it into the bottom of the skillet. Make sure you get the sides really good. Do you need some help? Make sure we get all. All right, let me do that part. So make sure we get all of it, okay? Make sure it's all in the bottom of the pan.
If you don't know how to cook, you just ask the parent to help you.
That's right.
Then we're gonna let this bake until it grows.
I think we're gonna put it on the smoker and make some smoked cornbread.
Yeah.
All right, see, the smoker is set at 400 degrees.
Where's
It's outside on the porch.
Okay.
So we're gonna have to cover this up, take it outside, and then we'll be back.
super duper cold?
Okay, let me see your oven mitt. Guess without knocking it over.
Let's back up so we don't get burned. Hello, Charles. You're gonna be our judge. You're gonna be our judge. Here's my. Welcome back. We're gonna taste the cornbread. We did 15 minutes with the lid on, and then we did 3 minutes with the lid off at 400 degrees.